wherever you are in the world, wherever you come from, we all have the experience different seasons. Some places will have 4 seasons, and some will only have 2 seasons. And on this video, let's talk about 4 seasons and what will be the event that you will experience in China. I believe that you must be distressed because you don't know how to express something like when you are asked with what is the weather in your country, or when you come to China, then when your colleague or friends talk about the weather, you don't understand and you don't know how to answer. Or when your Chinese friends ask you what the weather like in your country, usually you may be confused how to reply them. So don't worry, since today after you watch this video, you won't worry about this anymore, because I'm going to share with you on how to describe weather in Chinese. Let's go! Okay, let's start with the 4 seasons, because in China we have 4 seasons. The first is spring, 春天. And second, summer, 夏天. And third is autumn, 秋天. And last one is winter, 冬天. And in China, in the winter, the weather usually cold and dry. So first word is dry, 干燥的. And cold, 冷. Especially in the north parts of China. But in the south parts, it's warmer than the north part, but it's usually humid. So humid means 潮湿的. And warm, 温暖 or 暖和. And of course in the summertime, in China, usually really hot, especially in the south part. So hot means 热. And next word is 晴天, sunny day. So I love sunny day and I love summer. How about you? Which is your favorite season? Tell me in the comment section. And next word is 阴天, cloudy, 阴天. And you can also say 多云. So cloudy, 阴天 or 多云. And next is 雨天, rainy day, rainy day, 雨天. And next is 台风, typhoon, 台风. Next is 凉快, cool. So in China, in spring or in the autumn are usually 凉快, cool. The weather usually cool, 凉快. And next, 雾霾, that means haze. And 大雾 means heavy fog. 冰雹, hail, hail, 冰雹. And next is 暴风雨, rainstorm, 暴风雨. Last one is 小雨, light rain. Okay, so tell me what have you learned in this video. Leave your comment below. And if this video has given you value, Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below because you will be updated each week with our new videos that will be showing on your homepage. And if you think this video can benefit anyone you know, please share it with them so that we can help more and more Chinese students on their Chinese learning goal. And I will see you in our upcoming videos. 再见。